Good morning, dear friends. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, in today's video, we are going to talk about Standard 5th New Learnwell English Grammar and Composition book, Unit number 5, Connect Us. And we are going to solve Test Yourself. It means we are going to see here answer. Okay. So let's start. Dear students, in previous video we have talked about already connectors, how connectors or conjunctions used, and they behave like sometimes adverb, preposition and connectors. And also we have seen so many coordinating connectors with their examples. Okay, we have seen that noun with noun, verb with verb, sometimes the connector joined adjective with another adjective, adverb with adverb, phrase with phrase, and some sentences with sentences. Okay, so this activity is from page number 22, unit number 5, grammar book. Okay, so this is useful for practice and other students as well. जिनकी बुक नहीं है वो भी ये लर्न कर सकते हैं और अपना नॉलेज बढ़ा सकते हैं. So let's do. What is the question? The question is, point out the conjunctions in each sentence. Okay, यहाँ पर sentences are given. In this few sentences are given and we have to find out, okay, and point out the conjunction in each sentence. Dear students, यहाँ पे confuse होने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Conjunctions and the connectors are the same. Now in this sentence, he is slow but steady. Here, to get more clarity and understanding, I have already bolded it and color in red. Okay, so जो conjunction है उसको हमने already bold कर चुके हैं और red color में कर दिए. So he is slow but steady. Keep quiet or get out of here or is conjunction. Ramu is poor, yet he is honest. Here, it is conjunction. We went out and had an ice cream. Here, and is conjunction. I remember his name but not his address. In this sentence, but is conjunction. Namya as well as Soumya were learning French. Two nouns are joined together with as well as. Hurry up, otherwise you will be late for school. Otherwise, okay, condition. I was not feeling well, therefore I didn't go to school. The reason is given for one happening. Okay, so two sentences are joined together with therefore. So dear students, you have to write down these sentences and you have to identify these and point out these conjunctions in your textbook itself. Now let's go to the next. Let's see and understand in more better way the use of connectors, that is conjunction. The question is, join each pair of the following sentences using a suitable conjunction from the box below. Here in the box, some conjunctions are used and they are given here: so, or, but, therefore, it, whereas, and, otherwise. Okay, and 8 examples are given there, different sentences are given there, conditions are given there, and we have to join two sentences with proper conjunction. Okay, so let's do. Students are required to do this activity into their notebook or copies. I repeat again, students are required to write this activity and complete this activity into their copy or notebook. So are you ready, guys? So let's do. The first example is, she was ill, she did not come. Two sentences are there. Now let's see how to join this sentence. What will be the correct conjunction? She was ill, therefore she did not come. ओके वो बीमार थी इसलिए वो स्कूल नहीं आई, therefore इसीलिए वजह. Second, he did not work, he failed. Okay, the answer is he did not work, so he failed. उसने काम नहीं किया इसलिए वो फेल हो गया. Okay, now let's see. Number 3, Anu came early, Bunny came late. Okay, the sentences are joined together as Anu came early but Bunny came late. Next, tell me the truth, I will punish you. Okay, tell me the truth, otherwise I will punish you. ओके मुझे सच बताइए नहीं तो आपको पनिशमेंट होगी, मैं आपको पनिश करूंगी. अदरवाइज. ओके, इज दैट स्टोरी ट्रू, इज दैट स्टोरी फॉल्स. ओके, सो सच एग्जाम्पल्स आर जॉइंड टुगेदर, सच सेंटेंसेस आर जॉइंड टुगेदर विथ और. ओके, लेट्स सी. इज दैट स्टोरी ट्रू और फॉल्स. All right, students, you need to point out and you have to underline these conjunctions properly into your notebook to get proper understanding. Number 6, Ravi ran fast, he couldn't win the race. So we can join like this. Ravi ran fast, yet he couldn't win the race. रवि तेज दौड़ सकता था फिर भी वो रेस नहीं जीत सका. ओके, फिर भी. 8. Number 7, Amit can read English, Amit can write English. Okay, the same sentences are joined together with and. Amit can read and write English. Okay, here two verbs are joined together. Number 8, Ria participated in the drama, Tia participated in the dance. So Ria participated in the drama whereas Tia participated in the dance. So in this way, dear students, we have to do this activity in our notebook or copy. I hope you have listen, you have seen these examples very carefully, you have listened what I have said very carefully, and you try to do this activity into your notebook. Alright, if you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Take care.